Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I mean, it's my first time making this channel, so I'm gonna show you some glitches that you can do to just do some fun stuff. The last one is fun. It actually, I don't think it can help you grind stuff, but the first one will definitely help you grind more stuff. So let's get right into it. To the first one, I don't know if you can do like with different blocks, but I especially use that one because I saw it in the video. And I need to do this and this. Guys, you technically don't have to do that. I just like designing my stuff. So I'm just doing that because I like it. I'm just gonna come like down. Sorry guys. I just need to get until you find this one. If you find this one, I don't think it can work. Yeah, it cannot work if you don't have that one, because they say that when it sticks to a part of your body in the game, you can technically fly. So this the final result. You have full control of it, and you can definitely go very fast, but not that fast because you can like go over. And sometimes when it's too fast, it's pretty hard to control it. And now, as you can see, I'm going pretty fast. As you can see, I couldn't like technically control it very fast. Oh no. A simple glitch already has taken 2 minutes. Sorry guys. This will take the whole minutes because I don't know how to edit. So enjoy it, you guys. So just you will do this one here. Yeah, with that you can use it, I think. But yeah. We're moving on to the second one. So the second one is pretty easy. I usually use that glitch to do some robots. You'll need this butter looking block again. So you'll just come over here. I already have like a thing. I usually use this one, but do you think that one is the better thing? Yeah, too. I want to tell you guys, I don't think this can work. As I said one in the first one, I don't think this glitch can work to help you go to the end. But at least I think it can be fun, and you can play a lot of stuff against your friends. So you just put this like this, that. You can just do like this. Right now I'm just gonna. I like it perfect, guys. Oh no. I've tried like a lot of attempts in this video. So please like and subscribe. So I'm just gonna put this like the thing I said to you. Just put like this. I'm just gonna put the hand to look like Minecraft. That's obviously not the case. I'm just gonna put this, and this. And I'm making it look very like a little bit big, so it can look like a big thing. I'm just gonna put this and then the head. Now you're ready, and you can have a lot of fun like this. It's the game pointing at you. So enjoy everything, and bye.